Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen, and this is my Chevy C1500. Whenever you replace a harmonic balancer, you take it off, put the new one on, you're going to have to align it with the rest of the pulleys in the system. And fortunately on the C1500, there's a real simple way to do it. Find a straight edge, go across your power steering pulley, and you can make it align with your pulley on the harmonic balancer. I found that's the easiest way. It's a little bit of trial and error to get it just right. You have to take off the pulley here, set the harmonic balancer, then put it back on, check it. But once you get it nice and flush, then you're good to go. Okay, I like to put the serpentine belt on when the clutch fan is off. It just simplifies things, makes it a little easier for me. Okay, just to make it a little easier, I like to put the belt on the main pulley, thread it up, run it on the top of the water pump, go around the power steering, come into the AC, come into the tensioner, make sure you're getting the ribs, everything's fitting in there real nice. And where I like to try to set the belt is on the idler pulley. Then I can just slide it on. Makes it nice and easy. So I'm going to start the motor, make sure everything's lined up, everything's good. I'm not going to put the clutch fan on yet. Just want to make sure everything's going round and round and like it's supposed to. Good. No squealing. The belts look like they're tracking just the way they're supposed to. Okay. Time to put the clutch fan back on. Goes on by spinning to the right. I put a little anti-seize on there so the next time if I have to pull it off it's not so difficult. And to snug it up, I like to use my tool. Alright, that's not going anywhere. Okay, so the upper shroud's back on. Started it up. Running nice and smooth. Much quieter than it was before I did all this work. So I've checked underneath. No oil drip. So that new main seal it's working great. And the other thing I did, I changed the oil, ran the motor for a few minutes, got it warmed up, drained the oil. The old oil was pretty filthy. Put a new filter, new oil. I use the 1040 Castrol high mileage oil. And the nice thing is that my oil pressure went from 40 psi to 58 psi, which is, that's where it should be. Yeah, it's almost 60. It does go up to 60 when I rev it. Okay, so just to give you an idea, for all the work I did, what kind of money I spent, and front crank, seal, harmonic balancer, belt tensioner, idler pulley, water pump, clutch fan, serpentine belt, $225.49. So, I'm very happy with the outcome. All these new parts. I feel like this motor has got a new life in it, and so it's a lot cheaper to buy parts than to buy motors. So, I'm happy about that. I think next in store, I'm probably going to service the transmission, and I'm not going to do a flush or anything. I'm going to drop the pan on that, drop the tranny pan, put in a new filter, and just refill it. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching.